that brings us to where we are today, here in the Fresh and Fit podcast studios.
Let's fucking go, baby. I gotta ask you this, Chris, because I noticed this that when Elon Musk did an interview, and he said one of the first things he noticed when he took over X was that there was a considerable amount of censorship on conservative creators versus liberal creators, and that's just on X where like you're texting things. Would you say you saw that also on the video sharing side, where you got guys like Don Bongino, congressmen, et cetera, that might have conservative belief systems getting suppressed in big tech?
So something was going on, something is going on.
Okay.
I don't operate these other companies. I can't speak to what they're doing, but I can tell you what I observe and the anecdotes that I see. But when you have someone like Congressman Devin Nunes go from 10,000 on YouTube to 200,000 to 300,000, and now close, I think he passed 1 million on Rumble now, subscribers on Rumble. That shouldn't happen.
Yep.
You can call that censorship. You can call that some type of shadow banning. In these cases, they weren't actually banned. They were, they were censored in some way, shape, or form, and that was happening. And it didn't seem to be coming from multiple from all sides of the aisle. But I will say that that's changed a lot in the recent years. The censorship has now kind of gone into like various different areas.
Number one, rumble.com/FreshFit, guys. We are on Rumble. I know you guys are probably like, yo, what, Martin Fresh, why are y'all on Rumble? Well, content like this is not safe for YouTube a lot of the time. So, you got to be able to, say and do what you want to do over there on Rumble on the other side of the internet.
Let's go!